For our CFO advisory and financial modeling service, we often start by building a three-way forecast model for clients. What this will do is help project business performance into the future and help you have a clear understanding of the key drivers and levers behind your business. From this, we often provide data visualization tools to help clients extract more value from their data. And this can be through Excel dashboards or interactive Power BI dashboards that allow you to drill through your data and slice into your information to make better business decisions. From there, we often help you solve specific business challenges by using the answers that are already hidden within your data to solve your current bottlenecks and issues that you might be facing. And what this allows you to have is a big picture view of your business from a numbers perspective. When you show this to a bank or a lender or an investor, it's going to help them understand the numbers behind your business and show them that you have a clear understanding of those numbers as well. They help you articulate your growth story to others, and they can also be used as a management tool. When you know the numbers that really matter, a three-way forecast model can help you keep a really close eye on them and make sure that your business is having the best performance it can. So a lot of businesses have useful data, but they have trouble extracting value from that. And if you have a large data set, it doesn't mean anything to you until you can use data visualization to see it in a clear and easy to understand way. And if you can't, easily make decisions from your data, then you're not using it correctly. And what we do is we help you visualize your data through Excel dashboards and Power BI dashboards that allow you to drill down into your key metrics and key financial indicators and make decisions based on your data, rather than making decisions and looking at the data after. You can only get across so much information with a static chart or a static table or a diagram. What an interactive dashboard helps you do is to really tell a story with your data, because a piece of a chart might show that something is standing out or something's abnormal, and right away you can click into that or drill into that data and explain why that's happening. And if you're in a boardroom with your team or external stakeholders, this can be really powerful to help you explain to them what's really happening and what the cause for that spike in the chart is, for example. Once a three-way forecast model is created, the business owner will have a better understanding of the key drivers behind the business and the levers that they can really pull to change business performance. From there, we'll create data visualization tools to help them extract more value from their data. This can be dashboards in Excel or interactive dashboards in Power BI. And the beauty of that is that when you can drill through data and slice into your data, you can tell a much stronger story to your team and external stakeholders. And from there, you'll have the key drivers behind your business that you can use to solve business challenges. To discover how our financial modeling, data visualization, and business performance optimization services can help your business, reach out to us for a discussion.